Hi Willow class. So today we're going to take a slight turn with our maths. We've spent quite a bit of time on fractions, and what I would like us to do is just to consolidate our understanding of place value of three-digit numbers before we move on to addition and subtraction of three-digit numbers next week. We did a little bit of it with our money, but we're going to come back to it again. So on my whiteboard, I'm going to write a number. I'm going to write the number 341. Now that number could be written in quite a few ways, and we're looking at what that number represents. So the first thing we could do to help us is to put our headings along the top. Our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. So we know we've got 300. We know we've got 40. And we've got 1. So that's one way we could break our number up. Another way we could say is that we've got 3 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 1 1. And they are all equal to 341. Now another way we could write that is actually in words. So we need to write each part of the number in words. We've got 341. Okay, so that's another way that we can write that number. So we're constantly looking at the place value, what each digit represents within that three-digit number. So let's try one more together. This time we're going to use 0 as a placeholder. So this time I've got 806. So here are my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. So my number is made up of 8 hundreds plus 0 tens, but that place value is so important because otherwise, we'd said before, if we take that 0 out, it would make the number 86, and we don't want 86, we want 806. So we've got 0 tens plus 6 ones. Okay, another way we could write that is by breaking it up. So we've got our 800, we've got 0 tens, and we've got our 6 ones. Okay, if I was to write that as a word, I'd write the number 800 and 6. Okay, now the task I've set you today, there's a number of different activities, some on the resource that I've set you and some on Mathletics, which is all just consolidating this idea of partitioning our numbers into our hundreds, tens and ones and recognising how we might write that number in numerals and in words. So good luck with that. It looks like there's a lot set today. However, I don't think for some of you it will take very long. Just do what you can. Don't spend more than about 45 minutes on your maths. Okay? Good luck, Willow class.